Okay, this is Dinka. If you're looking for perfect compact and lightweight slider for your smartphone filmmaking to get professional looking shots like these, iFootage Shark Pico Pro is worth checking out. And if you happen to own DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 4 or 4P or DJI Action 5 or 6, then you'll be happy to know that the slider works with those two as well. This video is brought to you by iFootage. How did I get this shot? Let me show you how easy it is. I have the slider just on the desk. My smartphone is attached in the clamp. I will press the A, B button and play button at the same time and hold for roughly 3 seconds. Now, A and B are flashing on the screen. This allows me to grab and move the smartphone to any position I want. The slider moves to the sides, but this part rotates continuous 360. Once I am ready, I just press the A-B button. The A position is locked now. I will now move to the second position, and once I am ready, press the A-B button again, and now the B is locked as well. All that is left to do is choose the right speed by turning this knob. Now, this slider can go from 1% to really fast 100%. This is the first slider I'm seeing with such a fast speed. I've seen in the document that it is 5 times faster than other competing products. Here is the actual speed I chose. You can make the slider go just once or select a loop to keep moving back and forth. So this is just a basic shot of having the slider just sit on a table. You can mount it to a tripod. You can have the shot going forward. You can have it on a side angle. I took the slider outside as it is extremely light and quite small. It weighs 0.82 kilograms and it's 40 centimeters long. The travel length is 25.5 centimeters. There is a built-in battery that will give you up to 7 hours of runtime. Horizontal load capacity is 1.5 kilograms and vertical is 0.8 kilograms. When you add external lenses to the smartphone, you can get really nice shots with amazing depth of field. Here are some examples. So this is how you use it on its own, just manually. Until now I was filming in any app of my choice. More creative options you will get with Sliders app. I also have to mention that the slider also comes with NFC for faster connection. The app is called iFootage Moco. When you connect it to Slider, you will get 2 options. To use the slider with a camera such as DJI Osmo Pocket and DJI Action camera, or the second option would be using it with a smartphone. Let me show you the smartphone first. There are 3 filming modes: video, time-lapse, and stop motion. The highest resolution available is 4K at 120 frames per second. You can film in manual mode, enable tracking, you can film with selfie camera, rear 1 time or 2 times camera, you can digitally zoom in as well, and mainly using the app will give you the option to set more key points and ability to film in auto or manual focus. In time-lapse mode, you can film in up to 4K 60 frames per second, and stop motion lets you film in up to 4K 30 frames per second. In the settings, you can enable level, guide, delay, flashlight, HDR, save original, and sleep mode. Let's just play a few shots filmed in this app with a smartphone. What I think that the majority of content creators will do is just use the slider with native camera app or Blackmagic camera app, or even attach gimbals like DJI Osmo Mobile 8P, which offers great tracking. You will add dynamic movement and use the gimbal to track. Just a note that iFootage is also going to come out with a new tilt and pan arm with AI tracking. I don't know when this will come out, but it will be another great accessory to use with a smartphone. Speaking of gimbals, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can use the slider with DJI Pocket 3, 4 and 4P. There is a direct integration in the app, but again, what I really think that majority of content creators will do is just use it the simple way, like this. I'll just turn on the camera and use my iPhone to control the slider. I can set the camera to whatever resolution and frame rate I need, tune the picture quality, use ND filters and all that. I will set key points, speed, and all is left to do is enable tracking on DJI Osmo Pocket 4 as I'm filming myself. This is the easiest way to use it with this camera. This is how the camera interface looks like for controlling the slider. You can select more key points. On the left, you've got time, speed, hold time, and daily off. You slide with the joystick, pan, adjust controller sensitivity for slide and pan movements. You can enable continuous loop, change direction of the movement, preview, and move the slider to the starting position with standby. Once it is there, the icon will change to start. Let me connect Pocket 4 with the slider via USB-C cable. Once you turn on the DJI Osmo Pocket, it will go automatically to a webcam mode, and now you can control the Pocket 4 in the app. The highest resolution offered is 4K 30 frames per second, and you can enable filming in D-Log profile. The interface is the same, except you get access to Pocket controls right here. You can zoom in and out. You can control yaw and tilt. You can adjust yaw and tilt sensitivity as well. On the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, you can enable active track and get access to all picture quality controls, where you can enable filming in manual mode. Besides video mode, you can film also in a multi-target mode, which allows you jump or transition smoothly between pre-programmed subject mid-shoot. I have DJI Osmo Action 6 here, so let's see what kind of shots we can get with this camera. You can connect it via USB-C cable with the slider and you get the same webcam view, but the resolution offered will be lower, so I would most likely use it as a standalone camera without connecting it with the cable to fully take advantage of the camera quality. This is quite nice slider in a good price range. The fact that it is small and lightweight makes it perfect for taking it to any location. This is an optional gear for creators that are at the point that they want to add something else to their production, adding dynamic movement to up the production value. If you're filming mainly with a smartphone or DJI Osmo Pocket, this is something to consider. For those interested, you'll find the link to iFootage Shark Pico Pro below the video in a video description so you can see the current pricing. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoy!